The best pod coffee makers combine quality, speed, and convenience. While traditional drip and grinding machines deliver great taste, they require lots of time and effort. In addition, drip coffee makers are harder to use for small quantities and leave your kitchen with the smell of old excess coffee burning on the bottom of the pot. Enter the solution to your problem: pod coffee makers. With fast brew times that offer near-instant access to fresh, hot coffee, it's no wonder coffee pod makers have become so popular in the home and office. Erase any memories of old single-serve coffee machines in break rooms of yesteryear. Today, the best pod coffee makers deliver taste, quality, and freshness in no time flat, one steaming mug at a time. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best pod coffee maker. So let's get started.
Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 5. Breville Nespresso Creatista. The Creatista is the most expensive brewer on our list, but it also has by far the most to offer. If you have the budget and love of cafe-style drinks, this beautiful coffee maker deserves a place on your countertop. Internally, this single-serve machine offers a thermojet heating element that brings it to temperature in under 5 seconds and a 19-bar pump that guarantees properly extracted espresso. Externally, it features Nespresso's premium design, a rich medley of stainless steel, and a high-gloss finish that harkens to an original manual espresso machine. It's the only item on our list to offer a built-in milk frothing system. It comes in the form of an automatic steam wand that sterilizes itself with a jet of hot steam after each use. Use it to entirely customize your favorite drink, including cappuccino, latte, and flat white. Number 4. Nespresso Pixie by DeLonghi. At just over 4 wide, the Nespresso Pixie is their smallest espresso machine and one of their longtime best sellers. We love this single-serve machine because it's simple, functional, stylish, and delivers a legitimately delicious espresso shot. Or pair it with the Arancino for a foamy cappuccino. Despite its tiny size, the Pixie sure made it into our best coffee makers list because it packs a punch. It heats in only 25 seconds and is equipped with a 19-bar high-pressure pump, ensuring properly extracted espresso with a rich layer of cream. A surprisingly large 24-ounce water tank means you can pull 16 shots without a refill, and red light alerts you when it's running low. After brewing, this machine automatically ejects the used capsules into the waste bin. So, cleanup is virtually nil, plus it powers down automatically in 9 minutes. Number 3. CHULUX Single-Serve Coffee Maker. Given its rock-bottom price, you might not expect much from the CHULUX single-serve, but you would be mistaken. This little single-serve coffee brewer, perfect for a dorm room or RV, packs enough features into its compact frame to be a great value, not just a low price. It takes only 2 or 3 minutes to heat up and brew your cup of coffee, and it's compatible with all types of K-coffee pods as well as with refillable single-serve coffee filters if you prefer ground coffee or worry that Keurig K-cup coffee pods are not so good for the environment. It powers down automatically after brewing, an eco-friendly feature. The 10-ounce water tank is for single use. Add as much water as you want to brew, and it will keep brewing until the water is gone or you tell it to stop. This feature allows you total control over the cup size, but will be an inconvenience for lovers of larger mugs of coffee. Number 2. Keurig K Classic. If you're just after a basic K-cup coffee, it's hard to beat the K Classic. We love this single-serve coffee maker for its consistent quality and super low price. For a convenient way to enjoy great-tasting flavors and brands of K-coffee capsules, including both the 1.0 and 2.0 versions, this is our top pick. It's incredibly simple and easy to use. Just insert the pod, close the lid, and choose your brewing size. You'll be enjoying a warm cup of coffee in less than a minute. Unfortunately, brew strength can't be adjusted with this single-serve machine. If you forget to turn it off, it shuts down automatically 2 hours after brewing. The 48-ounce removable water tank is conveniently large, allowing you to brew 4 to 8 cups of coffee before it needs a refill. The drip tray is also removable so that you can fit up to a 7-tall travel mug under the brew head. Number 1. Nespresso Virtuo by Breville. Nespresso's newly launched Virtuo line appeals to espresso and coffee lovers alike. That versatility is what makes this brewer our favorite pod coffee maker this year. This single-serve machine takes only 15 to 20 seconds to preheat and then a single touch to start brewing. It brews using a patented technology known as centrifugation. Hot water is injected into the capsule, which is then spun at 7,000 RPM. This maximizes contact between the grounds and the water for the best extraction and flavor. The Virtuo line also employs intelligent extraction technology. The downside is that the proprietary Virtuo capsules are mandatory, and they can be expensive. Still, the Virtuo line machines are less expensive than the original Nespresso, and each comes with 12 free capsules. Note that this machine can also be sold with the Arancino at a discount. That was our list of the top 5 best pod coffee maker just for you.